And we're talking about breakfast with my friends. Now, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it should be eaten by everyone. Can you guys tell us why breakfast is so important? How about you?
It gives you energy for the day.
Energy for the day, yes. That's one very important. Energy. Energy helps you get moving. Now, can you name some breakfast items that are very important for us? Huh? Breakfast items. How about some? How about you, Roosevelt?
Bananas.
Bananas. How about you, Erica? Oatmeal. Cereal. Bacon. How about you, Taylor? Waffles. Cow. Apple and orange juice. Yeah.
Pancakes and milk.
Pancakes and milk. I like pancakes and milk too. Toast. Yes. Alex. How about you? Good, Alex. Eggs. Yes. Where do eggs come from, Alex? Food. Yes. But they come from chickens. Now, we're going to name some other things that come from breakfast now. Does anybody know where milk comes from? How about milk? Milk. Where does milk come from?
Cow.
Cows. Yeah. How about orange juice? Where does orange juice come from? Where does orange juice come from? Huh? How about you, Roosevelt? Oranges. Yes. Now, our last part of our health and fitness is our exercise part. Now, guys, come on down. We're going to do some exercises real fast. Come on off them steps there. Come on down. Come on. Yeah, you too. All of you. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. You two, you're not too big to exercise. Come on down. All right, step back. Step back. Step back. All right, so now, our first exercise is going to be jumping jacks. Do you guys know how to do jumping jacks?
Yeah.
All right, let me drop the camera down so that we can see y'all. Now, ready? Arms out, ready, set, go. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! Now, jump it off and shake it off. Shake it off, shake it off. Okay. All right, next exercise we're going to do are going to be toe touches. You know what toe touches are?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to touch our toes. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and up, okay? You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, up. Come on up, down. 1, 2, 3, and up. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and up. That's 3. We're going to do 2 more. 1, 2, 3, and up. That's 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, and up. Now we're going to do a long stretch. Put your arms up high. Stretch high, reach the sky, reach the sky. Try to reach the sky. Can you reach it? Can you touch it? Can you feel it?
Yeah,
all right.
I can't reach the sky.
All right, now we're going to reach down low. Reach down low, reach down low. Stretch as far as you can. Try to reach down low. Reach down, reach down. All right, now stand up, guys. Now, our last exercise we're going to do.
You said they touched the ground.
Yeah, we did it. We reached down low and touched the ground. We're going to do our running in place. Okay?
Yeah.
We're going to see how fast y'all can run in place. All right? Now we're going to run in place to a count of 15. Now, ready? And mark, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Yay. Give yourself a round of applause. Do you guys know any other exercises that you can do to keep in shape? How about you?
Push-ups.
Push-ups. Do you want to try some push-ups, guys?
Yeah.
All right, we'll try some push-ups. Let's try some push-ups. So now, everybody down in push-up position. And if you can't remember, you get the best you can. And we're only going to do 3 push-ups, okay? Now, come on, you scoot forward. You scoot forward. Scoot forward. Now, all right. Now, stretch out. Put all the legs all the way out. Okay? Now we're up. Now, down. 1, and up. 1, down, and up. That's 2, down, and up. 3, that's all we're gonna do. Next time we'll do 5.
That was great. Yeah. Now, let's go to Storybook Fran. Storybook Fran. Yeah, Storybook Fran. You hear the story of the day? Yeah, the story of the day. I love the story of the day. Yeah, me too. Let's hear the story of the day from Storybook Fran. Fran! Thank you, and welcome to my storybook land. Today's story is, who am I? And can I be like you? By Vincent McGee. Hi, I am cat. This here is dog. This one is pig. That one is hog. This here is chicken. This gal is cow. She can make milk and I still don't know how. Hello, Mr. Goat. Hello, Mrs. Owl. Please tell me how I can make milk like my girl cow. You cannot make milk. You are not the same, you see. Have you ever seen a cow climb up a tree? Or a cow play with a big ball of yarn? or ever have fun chasing flies in the back of the barn. You see, Mr. Cat, you are all not the same. That is why you all don't have the same name. Oh. Well, I have one more question, and don't pull my leg. Who came first, chicken or her egg? That's pretty good. I like that story. Take it away, guys. Bye.
That was pretty good.
I like that story.
Yeah, me too. I always did. Our ending project is we're going to go outside and just play with the kids. We're going to run and have fun and see what else we can do on Norfolk Street. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. 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 Norfolk Street. Norfolk Street. Norfolk Street.